Crust Shadow, Crust and Polkadot is a decentralized cloud storage project supporting the TEE and IPFS technologies. It's the perfect candidate to be used by Web 3.0 applications and all the other Kusama and Polkadot parachains. What makes it stand out among all the other storage projects is the fact that it doesn't require expensive hardware resources, high CPU and GPU. One of its main components, the Work Inspector, runs inside the TEE in a similar fashion to Phala Network, and that's why Crust node can be launched even on a home computer. The architecture of Crust has 3 layers: MPAL, GPAS and the decentralized storage market. MPAL is the layer for storage nodes. To be able to join the network, every Crust node has to verify itself. The node provides information about its free disk space and stored files. That information gets verified by its TEE and goes to the second layer to be written to the blockchain. The Work Inspector in the TEE updates that information every 30 minutes, and if something changes, the node has to pass the verification again, because it can't be trusted anymore. When a new order for storing a file is submitted, storage nodes download it from IPFS network, encrypt it with the TEE and submit it to the second layer. Storage nodes get 20% of the fee paid for file storage. GPAS is the layer for stakers. Stakers pack all information including storage node addresses, file IDs and verification data into blocks. The node that stakes a larger amount of CSM tokens has a higher chance to generate blocks. Staking nodes receive 80% of the network fee for file storage, but there's a twist. Every staker node has its staking quota, and this quota can be increased only by providing more storage, so only the largest storage providers can become the biggest stakers. However, those who don't have enough staking quotas or enough tokens to produce blocks can delegate them to larger nodes and receive their part for staking fees. The decentralized storage market is a place to submit storage orders. Any user can upload a file onto a standard IPFS public network via the Crust client or even with standard IPFS tools. After uploading a file, its content identifier ID has to be submitted with the order. Then storage nodes download it, encrypt it, and submit the proof of its storage to the blockchain. Then the user pays a fee for storing it. The native token of Crust Shadow is CSM. The total initial amount of CSM is 200 million and it will be allocated to the community. Crust is a cheap storage network that can become one of the most widely used parachains of Kusama and Polkadot. It can be used to store content for NFTs, games, or even host decentralized websites, so it will definitely be very popular. And that's all for today. We are waiting for a new session of Kusama parachain auctions and will provide more information about participants soon. We are going to make partnerships with future auction participants and give our subscribers special terms and gifts. If you need any marketing support, feel free to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Twitter, Telegram, and of course, Crowdloan Telegram bot. See you soon.